Hello, welcome to Learning How to Conquer the Forex Market. My name is Gosofejiro. This is a Forex Trading Complete A to Z course with charts and life examples. So briefly, I'm going to be telling you what you are going to expect or get from this course as soon as you purchase this course. So let's dive in right away. So this is the course outline for Learning How to Conquer the Forex Market. This course has been grouped into 4 parts to help you better understand what Forex trading is all about. So under part 1, you're going to be learning the basic terminologies and concepts. Under that, you have what is Forex. You can't trade Forex without knowing what Forex is all about. We're also going to be learning what is traded in Forex, who is a Forex broker, then the trading times and trading sections. This is very compulsory and important. You can't just open a real account and start trading without knowing when to take your trades. So you're also going to be learning the terminologies used in Forex, the non-farm payroll. This is a very important news in fundamental analysis. You're also going to be learning the currencies and currency pairs, different kind of currency, just like the US dollar, the euro, and all of that. You're also going to be familiar with your MT4 and MT5 interface of your trading platform. Under the part 2, you're going to be learning the advanced terminologies and concepts. Remember, the part 1 is basic terminologies and concepts, okay? So under this part 2, under the advanced terminologies and concepts, you're going to be learning price and chart representations. What is a pip? This is very compulsory in order for you to know how to calculate your stop loss and take profits. Under that, you're going to be learning concept of bid and ask price. What is a spread? This is also important. A lot of people ask, how do Forex brokers earn money? So under this spread, you're going to know how brokers earn their money. Under that, you're going to be learning forms of trading orders, as well as lot sizes. So the next thing you're going to be learning is concept of take profit and stop loss, and as well as leverage. Under part 3 of this course, you're going to be learning the forms of trading the Forex market, such as the fundamental, technical, and sentimental analysis. Sentimental analysis is coined from both fundamental and technical analysis. So under fundamental analysis, you're going to be learning what fundamental analysis is. It's focusing on the overall states of a country's economy, such as employment rate, interest rate, and etc. So you're also going to be learning the non-farm payroll. Recall that I told you that the non-farm payroll is under fundamental analysis. So it's one of the biggest news that every professional trader anticipates. So let's just sip a little by fully understanding what NFP, which is the non-farm payroll, is all about. It's very influential as an indicator of the US economy because the US Federal Reserve Bank makes monetary policy decisions based on this data. NFP is usually massive. It includes unemployment rate, just like what I just said. You're going to learn everything, how to interpret it once you get this course. So another thing you're going to learn from this course is major market participants. Who and what move price? You want to know what move price, right? Because you can't just trade market, you can't just trade fundamental analysis without knowing what move the market price is. So another thing you're going to learn is how does price move in the financial market. This is very important while trading fundamental analysis and both the technical analysis too. So the other thing you're going to learn is the important news releases to watch out for fundamental analysis. So still on part 3 of this course, you're going to be learning technical analysis. So let's just dive into a brief introduction of what technical analysis is all about. So technical analysis is the framework in which forex traders study price movement. The theory behind this is that a person can look at historical price movement and determine the current trading conditions and potential price movement. Now, have you ever heard the old saying that history tends to repeat itself? This is what it entails. Somebody can just sit and look at price movement and tend to predict the current movement of that particular currency pair. All right. So under this technical analysis, you're going to be learning support and resistance level. This is very important while trading technical analysis in the financial markets. You're also going to be learning trends, its type and properties. You're also going to be learning time frame analysis, demand and supply zones, the order blocks, as well as the Fibonacci retracement levels. This is a powerful tool in trading the technical analysis. So you're also going to be learning the pivot points, the Elliott waves and fractals, the price action and chart patterns, the candlestick analysis. Candlestick analysis is also one of the best ways of analyzing the financial markets. Okay, so you're also going to be learning trading indicators. Trading indicators are going to it's going to aid you. It's going to aid you in your forex trading level, your forex trading journey rather. So you're also going to be learning the refining pools for proper entries, right? So still on part 3, moving on to part 4. So still on part 3, you're going to be learning sentimental analysis and introduction to it. if you can still recall that I told you guys that sentimental analysis is coined from both fundamental and technical analysis. So under technical analysis, you're going to be learning what is market sentiment, principles of sentiment analysis, psychological levels, tools for sentimental analysis, some examples of sentiment indicators for forex market. So this is what you are going to get from the part 3 of learning how to conquer the forex market. All right. So moving on to part 4 of this course, you're going to be learning the psychological drills. This is like how to control your emotions while trading in the forex market. All right. You're going to learn how to make a lot of profit, but there are still losses. There is no way you are going to trade the financial market without any single losses. Your analysis may be right, but sometimes the market can actually go against you. So moving on, you're going to be learning risk management and trading plan, common mistake made by traders, so you can actually learn from them and actually not make the same mistakes. So the other thing you're going to learn is the importance of consistency. Uh, Consistency is one of the great tools in achieving a lot of things. Okay, something that you are doing every time is not something. It's not like you can't compare it to something you're just like something you're doing once in a while. Okay, so as you're doing it every time, you'll be learning a lot of things from it. So moving on, you're going to be learning the 3 secret characters to portray to become a successful trader, and mentorship and follow up. You're going to be added to a community where you're going to learn a lot from forex trading. I can interact with other students and know a lot of things. So this course also entails a live trading. Then, like I just said, access to the KBA community where you're going to interact with the other students and learn a lot of things from this course. So this is what it all entails. So let's briefly know what forex trading is all about. Forex is just a short word for foreign exchange. The foreign exchange market is one of the largest markets in the world. It has a total daily liquidity of $6.6 trillion. This means that $6.6 trillion is moved and traded on the financial market daily. For example, if you travel out of Nigeria to USA, you definitely look for a means or way of exchanging the naira for the US dollars. This is a simple explanation of what forex is all about. So you're either exchanging one currency for another in the financial market, but that's not all. Yes, there's a whole lot more to forex trading. So now, having known what forex trading is all about, what is traded on forex? Currency pairs, one currency against another, are traded on the financial market, and there are various categories of currency pairs. So you're either buying or selling currencies only. So in this course, you will learn everything you need to know to start trading the forex market right away. This is not just a theoretical course. There is live trading included, where you're shown how to use the information learned to trade live in real time. Now get this course and see poverty give way to success. You're going to learn everything from basic to advanced level, and you're going to know how forex trading works. You're going to get the link of this course in the description below. So just click on the link to get the course right now.